Looking to build a stunning website without coding? Say hello to Elementor Pro, the ultimate WordPress page builder that lets you create professional websites with ease. Elementor Pro is a powerful drag-and-drop website builder that allows you to design visually stunning pages without touching a single line of code. With its intuitive editor, you can customize your website in real time, making changes instantly. Here's why Elementor Pro stands out. Theme Builder. Customize headers, footers, and templates effortlessly. 90+ widgets, forms, sliders, buttons, pricing tables, all at your fingertips. WooCommerce Builder. Perfect for e-commerce stores. Mobile optimization. Your site will look amazing on any device. Lightning-fast performance. Designed for SEO optimization and speed. Elementor Pro offers flexible pricing, starting at $59 per year for a single site. Need alternatives? Check out Divi, WP Bakery, or Beaver Builder, but Elementor Pro remains the best choice for design freedom and ease of use. Whether you're a blogger, entrepreneur, or designer, Elementor Pro gives you total creative control over your website. Ready to build your dream site? Click the link below to get Elementor Pro today. Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy designing!